begin with breaking news. Hurricane Sally has just made landfall. It is battering the Gulf Coast as we speak with torrential rain. A wind gust of 121 miles per hour was just recorded in Alabama, but more than 400,000 customers are without power in the southeast at this hour. It is the rain that is the story here. Historic levels of rain, possibly up to 3 feet worth. Officials are issuing dire warnings now about flooding. We have reporters on the ground to show you how hard it is raining. That'll be in just a moment.